address. Welcome address the chairmanship candidate of our great party, APP. The fastest growing party in Rivers State. And by the special grace of God, come 5th October, APP will be sweeping the pool.
Oh yeah, so please join me. Welcome very warmly the able chairmanship candidate for the Action People's Party for Local Government, the Honorable Martin Swigo, as he comes to take the Rosso for his welcome
APP! APP! This is a great day for Rivers Southeast. And we have to thank God for making this day possible. So on behalf of the 7 LGAs of this local government, of this senatorial zone, I would like to say welcome to everybody. You're welcome to Kano local government, where very soon, APP will be in charge. No be so? No be so? Welcome, everybody. Thank you.
Well, thank you very much. That's a very loud, very loaded, if you like, welcome address by our own chairmanship candidate for Kano local government on behalf of the 7 local government areas in River Southeast Senatorial District, and as the Honorable Martin Swibo. Thank you very much.
He spoke on behalf of Kano local government, Gukana local government, Oyibo local government, Eleme local government, Tai local government, Obopon Koro local government, and Anthony local government.
And just in that wise, we're going to be calling for solidarity speeches.
No be governor, but here is a governor that has allowed us to exist, and that is why we are breathing here. Those who are close to the governor, who are in his own party, PDP, please extend our thankfulness to him that he is doing well by allowing us to exist. On behalf of the Kana people, this is the traditional headquarters and the political headquarters of the Southeast Senatorial Zone. I want to say something because I'm franked by my left, by the man who introduced me to PDP in those days. And that Chief Gregory Witham is very much here. Those who brought PDP to Kana. And after him, it was myself. If 2 of us are now in APP, what do you expect? What do you expect? Okay, it is over. Is it not? Mr. Chairman, we won't say you should go and sleep because you still have something to do. But if it were possible, we would have said go and sleep. But don't go to sleep. Because there are so many people that want to join us. So many people are on the road. We need to recognize them and we need to welcome them. We're not going to chase anybody. We'll bring everybody on board because we want to liberate River State from the hand that have been holding our neck. As Kana people, we will not go back to Egypt. We have left Egypt. We are now in the land of Canaan. And because we are in the land of Canaan, we are going to move forward and never backward. Thank you, and God bless all.
Thank you very much. And we have one more. May we most respectfully have the pleasure to invite here Honorable Chubuike Peter for the non-indigenous. Very quickly, we have the honor to invite Honorable Chief.
The Emperor, the Conqueror, the Champion, the Lion is here. Zabu, zabu, baby. What was that? The Emperor, the Conqueror, the Champion, the Lion is here. Who's that? Zabu, zabu, baby. The conqueror, the champion, the lion is here. You say, Zabu, zabu, hey,
My state chairman, Honorable Keynote, our leader, former ambassador to Netherlands, Ambassador Olchin Gofa. Let me stand on already established protocol as established by the compare. APP!
Nigeria.
APP!
Strong economy, united Nigeria.
My state chairman, my message is very short. I want to assure you today that the non-indigenous in Rivers State, we are with you, we'll stand with you, we'll continue to stand with you. We shall never go back to Egypt again. I said we shall never go back to Egypt again. No amount of intimidation can stop us. APP is a movement. APP is a movement. And we'll continue to move to get to the promised land. Thank you and God bless you.
Wow, thank you very much. Hello, may we respectfully now invite the National Legal Advisor of the Action People's Party, a distinguished statesman, Barrister Henry Odele, DSS ROS. May we, with pleasure, welcome him for his solidarity message.
Sarigari manara sana sirigi, kujagari manara sana sirigi. Wapaka bodoru bigi manara bodo, mukili wami, oda, ibarama etamuno ibarama wapaka bodo mukili manara mukili wami, etamuno ibarama ibarama.
APP, Strong Economy United Nigeria. A new Nigeria is possible. Do you agree with me? A new River State is possible. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
My own is short here. I bring you a message of solidarity from the National Chairman of APP, my chairman, Barrister Uchenna Nnadi. He asked me to bring a message to you here. The message is for you to be steadfast. The message is for you to come out on the 5th of October and support APP for the liberation, total liberation of Nigeria, of River State. We have already started the movement.
And what we are going to do on the 5th of October is going to crystallize that movement. Once we have been able to liberate Rivers State from the hands of one man, all of you here will be happy you did. APP, APP, together we will win the election on the 5th of October, and together we will liberate Rivers State. Thank you very much, and God bless you all.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, National Legal Advisor. And National Legal Advisor, please just bear with us. Just stay a moment as we announce and honorably, most respectfully, introduce and invite the chairman, Action People's Party in Rivers State. He's an amiable leader, a veteran in political party leadership, two-time former commissioner in Rivers State, former special advisor in Rivers State, former this, former that, strength immeasurable, and indeed a distinguished gentleman. Respectfully, we invite the Honorable Sonny Nwokekoro, DSSROS, JP, the Chairman, Action People's Party, Rivers State, sir, for his very special message.
Ladies and gentlemen, sometime in 1998, great men of this country gathered somewhere in Abuja to put heads together to bring back democracy into our country. One little boy from one little village in Port Harcourt was one of such men.
Strong economy, united Nigeria.
United Nigeria, strong economy, new Nigeria is possible. New Nigeria is possible. Do you believe that new Nigeria is possible? Do we believe that new Nigeria is possible? And new Nigeria being possible will start with Rivers State. New Nigeria being possible will start with Rivers State. Why? Because we are told that charity begins at home. The very state that holds Nigeria together is which state? Rivers State. That's why we are the pace setter. That's why we are the trailblazer in politics and in everything. Rivers State always give the nation the best. And we won't allow anybody take away our shine from us. We are going to enthrone a new Rivers State, starting with the October 5th local government election. we are going to introduce a new river state where the children of the poor can have opportunity to aspire to whatever position they desire. Where Godfatherism will never stop any of you anymore. A new river state where our youth will be on employment role, not on charity role. Giving you palliative cannot solve your problems. But if you have a government that will create job for you, and you earn your salary at the end of the month, it's better, far better, than giving you palliative. A new Nigeria where you can go to court and obtain justice. A new Nigeria where truly police will be your friend. A new Nigeria where you hold all those you elect into offices and all those who will give appointive position, we will hold them accountable to every action of theirs. A new Nigeria where your leaders will not acquire your lands because I'm a governor, or because I'm a minister, or because I'm a commissioner, or because I'm a president. A new Nigeria where you will have right, and our women will be given equal opportunity to contest for whatever position they desire. Do not despise your little beginning. We are starting and they are writing it. They are writing us off. By the time we are done with 5th of October election, Nigeria will reckon with us. By the time we are done with next Saturday's election, by the time we are done with that election, everybody in Nigeria will begin to take us very seriously. Do you know why we are going to win? We are going to win only because you are with us. The people are with us. The structure is the people, and the people are with us. Yes, we are going to win because God is on our side. We are going to win because time is in our favor. And what you cannot defeat is the resolve of the people. When the people are united over a thing, no power on earth can stop them. Do you know why? When people gathered and said they wanted to build a tower up to heaven, even God who created them looked down on them. I got to a certain point, God had to come down to say, if I don't stop these people, they are united and there's nothing, absolutely nothing they cannot do if they are united. Today, Rivers people are united. Today we are united. The Okrikas and the Kweres are united. The Ogonis and the Andonis are united. The Calabaris and the Bonis and the Chains are all united. Rivers people are united over one thing: liberation of Rivers State. And we say and we declare, from this day, affliction shall not arise a second time.
No, not at all.
Affliction shall not arise a second time. When man begins to play God, God will tell you you're not even qualified to be the devil he drove down from heaven. So I charge you up today. A lot of your leaders have come to make promises to our party. We are not jumping parties because we desire to. As your leaders, we are in a position to know better than you and lead you to the right and the promised land. So when one party is not acting well, when one party has looked down on you and looked down on your leadership, it's the duty of your leaders to move from that party to another. So our party today, and after 5th of October, our party will continue to be. And after 5th of October, and down to 2027, our party will remain Action People's Party. APP!
Strong economy, united Nigeria.
APP!
Strong economy, united Nigeria.
Therefore, in this liberation that all of us have unanimously agreed upon, we have carefully, through the electoral processes, I'm giving you councillors that will be very, very close to you. Councillors that will listen to your yearnings. And we went beyond that and brought you council chairmen that will hold strongly accountable to, that will do those things and bring development to you people. We have carefully selected them. But on this ground today, we are going to present those council chairmanship candidates flagged to tell you that these are people who are going to represent you. I will urge you, all of you, on the 5th of October, please wake up early. Get your voters' cards the night before 5th of October. Carry your food by your side. Go to the electoral points. Go to your voting points. Remain there. Cast your vote and ensure that your vote counts. Ensure that your vote counts. I thank you, all of you, for this show of solidarity. I'm so elated seeing sea of heads gathered here today. It simply means that Rivers people are going towards one direction. God bless you all. God bless you all. God bless you all. In Jesus' mighty name, I say God bless you all.
Amen.
Having said that, may I humbly, respectfully invite our council chairmanship candidate to the podium so that we can hand over their party flags to them.
We will have for Anthony Lazarus, Gogo 10. Honorable Gift Okere for Oyibu. Right Honorable Dr. Enyada Kukikam for Popon Koran. Chief Honorable Brian Gogba for Eleme. Our brother Matthew Dike is for Tai local government. And we have Honorable Martins Wigbo for Kana local government. Honorable Dumie Monday for Gokana local government.
Anthony Chairman and Anthony people, today we are handing over the flag of the party to your council chairmanship candidate. And by special grace of God, after 5th of October, he will no longer be addressed as a candidate, but he will be addressed as the chairman of Anthony local government. Congratulations. Our dear people of Kana local government, today we are handing over this flag of liberty, to our council chairmanship candidate, with the hope and belief, by special grace of God, after 5th of October, he will no longer be addressed as candidate, but will be addressed as the executive council chairman. Congratulations.
Gokana, Monday Dumie. Gokana.
My dear people of Gokana local government, before your very eyes today, we are handing over this flag of liberation to your council chairmanship candidate with the hope and belief that by the special grace of God, come 5th of October, he will no longer be addressed as candidate, but as a very substantive elected chairman of your local government. Congratulations.
The next one is Tai local government. Tai.
My people of Tai local government. My people of Tai local government. Today, before your very eyes, we've gathered you to witness and attest to the fact that our party, Action People's Party, is handing over this flag of liberty, this flag of liberation, to your council chairmanship candidate. And by 5th of October, we will gather again, this time to celebrate him, not as a candidate, but as a duly elected chairman of your local government. Congratulations.
Congratulations, sir.
Opapankoro!
The people of Opapankoro,
We're here.
be witnesses today that our party has duly, lawfully handed over this flag of liberation, of liberty, to a council chairmanship candidate, a face that you're familiar with, and a face that you continue to be familiar with. And come 5th of October, we will celebrate with him as a duly elected chairman of a Opobo local government. Congratulations.
Make some noise for him!
People of Oyibo local government, we are presenting to you a very humble man, a man that is accessible, a man who will deliver dividends of democracy to the people of Oyibo. Today we present our flag of liberty and liberation, and we hope and believe by the special grace of God, after 5th of October, we shall gather like this, even in greater number, to celebrate him as a duly elected chairman of Oyibo local government. Congratulations.
Make some noise for Igbo! Eleme! No bread! No bread! No bread! Look at Sean.
Hello. Hi. People of Eleme local government. Eleme has never disappointed in the past. And Eleme will never disappoint. When you see this face, you know that Eleme is intact for APP. We therefore hand over this flag of liberation, flag of liberty, to a council chairmanship candidate representing our great party APP. And we will gather like this. After 5th of October to celebrate him as duly and lawfully elected council chairman of Eleme local government. Congratulations.
Make some noise! Thank you.
Eginaga naisoginazu Eginaga naisoginazu EPP naga naisoginazu EPP naga naisoginazu Eginaga naisoginazu Eginaga naisoginazu Eginaga naisoginazu Eginaga naisoginazu Eginaga naisoginazu Eginaga naisoginazu.
Thank you all and God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. The secretary.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
National anthem.
On behalf of the Action People's Party, River State, on behalf of the distinguished chairman, Honorable Sonny Mokekuru, and the executive, I very much thank all of you, all the groups, all the local governments, and we say, may God bless all of us. And remember, on the 5th of October 2024 is the prime day for the elections, and that's when we will really put a cap on all we have done here. Thank you so very much, and God bless you. Safe journey to your respective destinations. National anthem, please.